People love to travel. They want to see the world, to taste the world. At Cookly, we believe the best way to do so is through one of our hands-on cooking classes. Discover the world through all of your senses. Imagine local chefs revealing the secrets of their traditional recipes directly to you. Picture yourself picking up your own fresh ingredients in an organic farm thousands of miles away. Imagine cooking and tasting your favorite meals prepared by none other than yourself. All this is possible. Cookly lets you easily book authentic cooking classes, a must-do activity when you travel. Experience local food cultures at their best. It only takes a few steps. Pick a location, book a cooking class, and discover a new tasty world. Learn how to roll sushis in Tokyo, cook a pad thai in Bangkok, or make a nasi goreng in Bali. There is no better souvenir than a new set of skills that you and your loved ones will be able to enjoy for years to come. Remember, when planning your next trip, visit cookly.me and embark on your next culinary adventure. Cookly. Cook the world.